Hi everyone, this is Ambika. I'm from ACJ and I have with me Anupa, who is an athlete and who will be sharing with us her experiences.
Hi.
Hi Anupa. So, can you tell us your journey as an athlete?
Okay, I started off from standard 7. I started off my journey as an athlete, and after 7, I've been going through zonals, regionals, and national events. And then I was an athlete till last year, but then right now I'm not practicing.
So, how was the experience for you, the whole experience?
I guess my experience was very nice in terms of the things that I have covered, and then the way I used to practice. I guess it's very good experience, very enriching, and like all my family, my school, my principal, my teachers were very supportive of me, and I guess all that added up to all the laurels that I brought back to them.
So, could you tell us about the training experiences and the things that you had to keep in mind while going for a competition?
Okay, so my training, I'll answer it in two parts. So my training was very hectic. Like I had to wake up at 4 o'clock every day and then go for a morning practice where my coach, I was trained by a professional coach. So he used to train us in school itself, and then I had to travel 1 kilometer, 1 hour to get to school, and then we need to practice over there before our classes, and then after our classes I used to wait and stay back in the school for 2 hours and then complete my evening practices and then get back. So since it was a professional coach, we got to do a lot of stuff. Like we were in training for throughout the year. Like usually the other athletes have seasons. Like only they'll come and practice only like 5 or 6 months before the season starts. That season is around like in August to November, and they start somewhere 5 or 6 months before. But for us, for me, it was like we had to be in practice throughout the year. So practice was very hectic. In that case, like I used to reach home only by 7:30 in the evening, and yeah. So in that case, but the practice did pay off well. Like since we were in practice for like throughout the year, there wasn't much pressure on us during the season. So we were already prepared, and practice sessions were very good. Like we did a lot of stuff. It was very nice. We had lots of exercises. We had a lot of games. Sometimes he'll just allow us to play games, but yeah, not just games, but games which actually we had to work a lot. It was more than the workout. And second, in terms of what was the question? I forgot.
Like, how was the training sessions and what are the tips that you had to?
Yeah, like major tips that we should actually take care of. Like this off-track trips, and there are also on-track trips. Like for off-track, if you're there in the waiting room, you have to you're there in the waiting room, you're doing your warm-up and everything. One should keep a point that you should warm up your body very well. Unless until your body is warmed up very well, I don't think you'll be able to give in your best timing. So warm-up is one strict rule. You have to do your warm-up very well. And yeah, there's pressure all the time on you, and we have to train our mind to be calm. Until unless you're calm and focused, we won't be able to focus on the match, and you won't be able to give in your best. And on track, you should make sure that you are very keen on listening to the time. Like for us, we had this cue. It's for different shooters. They have different timings for like 1,000, 200, and then they'll shoot. So most of the time you need to be observing all these tips so that you know when the shooter will shoot, and then there's the right time for you to leave. Like you cannot be disqualified. So a lot of pressure is there, but then once you start practicing, you should take care of these things before you get into the field.
So what about your future plans? Like, do you plan to participate in any further competitions?
Future plans as such, I never dreamt of being an athlete, but then it's just my passion. I love running, I love being in the field, I love the experience, I love the whole everything about it. But yeah, if I get an opportunity to be one, like to play for my institute and all, I'll definitely go ahead and do that.
Okay. Thank you so much, Anupa. Thank you for sharing your experience.